Good morning, dear viewers. Here you go. These are the various charity boxes installed at different locations here in Sharjah and in the parts of Dubai, overall UAE. Here you go. The persons daily come, or maybe they come quarterly, and then you open this box and check out whether the different persons have kept something there for the charity. Yeah, they're collecting the clothes or whatever the stuff has been kept by the different people for the poor and needy around the globe, and they are then keeping it in the polythene bags, and then keeping it here, wrapping it and keeping it in this big truck. Yeah, and then they're parceling it or dispatching it to the people who are in need. I personally believe they will be sending it to respective charity centers who are government recognized, and yeah, of course. So they will be sending it there and trying to help out the humanity, which is basically a very good cause. It's indeed a very good cause, because see, when such initiatives are taken by the governments, quite naturally the poor and the needy people who are always in need, they're given, we can say they are given a kind consideration, and yeah, that's how countries flourish, when they keep in mind their the poor and the downtrodden. It's not just at one particular nook here. If you can see, one was installed over here. Here you go. They might have the master key of it, or the different numbers are there. Okay, and yeah, they're collecting it there. If you can see the other one, just over there. Yeah, just over there is another one. Yeah, when we move around, here you go. Here is another one. So they are stationed very near to the buildings, whereby quite naturally such a big building, so many floors are there. So one particular charity box, donation box, what you may call it, it has to be there. Here you go. It's written over there. You can donate clothes, textiles, shoes, bags, in whatever capacities you may. Yeah, here is the that slot whereby you can keep it. There you go. There are actually two over there. Yeah, that's it for the morning time. Take care, and like and subscribe my channel.